So yesterday on the 24th of October, the recent version of Python, which is Python 3.11, just came out. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you 3 new features that came with the Python 3.11. So the first one is that it is faster. So from the Python site, you can see that it says on average it is 25% faster than the older version, which was Python 3.10. So, and it's also depending on your workload, the speed up could be all the way from 10% to 60% faster. So right here you can see that it says it has a faster startup, and right here you can see that it says it has a faster runtime. And the second one is that it has more informative error messages. Now, this is actually very good. There is this example right here. So this is just a simple function that calculates the multiple inverse of a number. But as we know, there's no multiple inverse of 0. So right here it's trying to get the multiple inverse of 0. And let's see how it's going to show that error to us. So right here you can see that it shows that the error is coming exactly from this particular code. So previously it shows the line the error is coming from, like it says line 6, but now it shows the exact error, the exact code where that error is coming from. You can see it shows that it's because we are trying to get the multiple inverse of 0, and right here where we try to do 1 divided by 0, it gives us a 0 division error. And the last one I'm going to talk about is negative 0 formatting. So right here in Python, when we are using a float, if you have minus 0.0, obviously 0 is negligible of signs, so there is no minus 0 and there's no plus 0. But now in Python, when using floats, minus 0 is the same thing as plus 0. So when you say minus 0 equals 0, it gives you true, and this is because of the negative 0 formatting. So it basically just sees the magnitude of that 0 and is negligible of the sign. So those are the 3 new features that I wanted to talk about in this video. Now there's a lot of features that came with this new update, and I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can check all of the single details and even how to install it on your computer. So thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.